Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I want to talk to you about two things. The first and the most important thing is that I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online business up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so I suggest that you click that first link in the description below. Now, my internet coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, take a look at the second thing, and that is our review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description below at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales after you purchase a PLR product. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr at a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4 will show you how to create a passive income. And this is an important thing. It is a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you will receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get back to our review. In a nutshell, Traffic Alchemy is a course where you will learn skills to generate unlimited traffic to your offers, to your links, to your websites, in any work-from-home, crypto, home business, or make money online niche. The vendor and creator of Traffic Alchemy is Darren Langdon. He produces products that are really in the crypto, traffic, and email niche, and he is an enthusiast in that field. Some things that you should know about this product: there's no software needed, there's no technical expertise required, there's no previous knowledge of internet digital marketing. It may help you, but it's not necessarily essential. And Darren provides you with step-by-step training on how to set up each system so you can start generating traffic immediately. And the sales page also indicates that you will be amazed how quickly this works, and how you can start to see results as soon as you implement the traffic sources that they recommend. Now, there's lots of things inside this particular course. You'll learn the secrets of instant traffic generation. You'll see sites which are creating huge numbers of clicks and signups daily. We'll show you a step-by-step videos in terms of the sites that they use, and what advertising methods are working. You'll find out that a low budget is not necessarily an issue, because there are sites that are free for use, and ways to explode your online business. They'll also be showing you how to set up everything that you need to build your own business, like landing page, autoresponder, full extensive lists of high traffic sites, the exact methods that Darren uses to generate thousands of views per day, and a step-by-step video and walkthrough series. As well, there'll be best traffic sites online to date with video proof. In other words, live statistics. And there's much more. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end for the traffic Alchemy is $9.95. OTO1 is an unlimited traffic code and ChatGPT resource, which varies from $7 to $14.95. There's OTO2, the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Training Pack for $14.95. There's 200 clicks rotator and 500 leads for up to $17. And there's 25 signups and 400 clicks, ranging from $8.95 to $37. Now, you need to watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might get less product or a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. But don't forget to check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses, because they'll show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain recurring income easily. And they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day for the entire system. And don't forget that it'll also show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. So all of these are bonuses, free bonuses, with your purchase of this product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.